Hi, welcome to NuageAcademy. What you will be learning from our course AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate level. You will learn and understand about AWS global infrastructure, which consists of regions, availability zones, and edge locations. Also, you will be learning about AWS foundation services like compute, storage, database, networking, Route 53, which is a AWS DNS service, and other key application services like SNS, SQS, etc. With these building blocks, you will be learning to design a highly available application. So when you see the Amazon global infrastructure, Amazon cloud computing resources are hosted in multiple locations worldwide. These locations are composed of AWS regions and availability zones. Each region is a separate geographical area. Each region has multiple isolated locations known as availability zones. Some of the regions may consist of minimum 2 availability zones. Some of the region will be having maximum of 6 as of now, 6 availability zones. So using this multiple availability zones in a particular region, uh, before going further, we have Mumbai region in India. Okay, um, so we have multiple availability zones in Mumbai region, where you can use this multiple availability zone for redundancy purpose. Using this region and availability zone, you will be customizing your virtual private cloud. Custom VPC you will be creating, that you will be learning from this course, and this VPC makes isolated domain of yours. It is a security boundary where since no, we are in public cloud, the other clients will not enter into our network area, so which gives that security and boundary. So inside the VPC you will be creating subnets. So maybe a public subnet based on your application. For example, you will be having a web server in a public subnet and a database server in a private subnet. So public server, a subnet, difference between public and private subnet is the instances which is available in public subnet will be able to reach out to the internet, and people uh, from the external world, they can reach out to your instances in the public subnet. But in the private subnet, from the external users cannot reach out to your private instance, that is the instances provided in the provision in the private subnet. So the public instance, how it will be, every instance when you are launching, you will be having a security group which is a virtual firewall. It's a stateful firewall. You will be learning about that, of course. And you will be having an internet gateway. Through this internet gateway only, your instances will be able to communicate to the external world, and the users from the external world, they can reach to your instances. So in between your internet gateway and your instance, you will be having a route table and a network access control list, what traffic has to be allowed into your subnet. uh, and the routing table will route your external traffic to your server, as well as the instance in the public subnet will be routing the traffic to the external world. And you will be having your database in the private zone, that is private subnet, and your web server will become, if it is a web server, it will be connected to the, this is a master database, so mentioned with m. So in the second availability zone, we will be having the same type of network that is subnetted. It is subnetted, public and private. It will be ready, and from your availability zone A, no, you will be having a replication of your database to uh, the other availability zone, where you will be having a standby database. So this standby database will get synchronously replicated from your master database. So suppose if your the whole availability zone goes down, zone A goes down, okay. So what will be the situation? Because we need our application to be highly available. So in that scenario, we will be bringing up the the redundant services, services in the other availability zone, and will be making to the connection to the external world, and the instance in the public subnet will be having connected to the database in the private subnet. So all this will be happening simultaneously once it is sensed that availability zone is down. So these are the things you will be learning using the building blocks, uh, like global infrastructure and other foundation course services. So why you have to choose New Age Academy to learn this Certified Solutions Architect Associate course? Because we have experienced faculty, trained more than 100 plus professionals to achieve AWS CSA associate level certificate. And also we after training we conduct simulation exams on topic wise. So every topic, uh, after every topic we will be giving you a online link to log in and practice your practice test on those topics. And also end of the all the topics we will be giving some three mocks exam simulations. So all this testing will give you enough confidence to appear for the certification. And the classes will be interactive sessions. I will make the classroom very live with a lot of demos. Everything, all the concepts will be supported with the demos, so which makes you to understand very easily, and doubts will be clarified until you complete your certification. Even though after you complete your course, you can reach to us for any doubts. Thank you for watching this video.